Happy Saturday. Working on my day off. I want a Geo Tracker really bad. So here I am on my day off. Remember last year when I wanted a lift kit for my van and I mentioned wanting a lift kit in about 57 videos. Now I want a Geo Tracker, and every time I get home from work I'm daydreaming about getting this one. It's probably not gonna be here anymore in 5 or 6 months, but I really want this one. It's a ZR2 tracker. I did not know they made ZR2 trackers in two-door models. I know they came in 4-door, not 2. It has fender flares, nicer tires. I believe it has better shocks. It needs the decal on the side. The decal's not there. I definitely would get the decal. Man, I hope this one's still there in 5 to 6 months, because that's when I'm gonna get one. Yeah, it's cool. So yeah, this is what I do with my time. I get home and look at this thing. So that's why I'm here. Let's take a look. Shot of the van here. I got this new mount. I'll show it to you guys right now. Hold on. Pretty cool. So this is how I had it set up. Is it still focused? Yes. See? It's like a magnet. I like this mount a lot. So here's a parking lot. Let's get a quick shot of the van here. There it is. Van with the lift kit that I talked about for a year before I got one. So now I'm daydreaming about getting my Geo Tracker. Here's my vision. Sometimes you have to visualize your dream. So here's my dream right now. Be at the desert, pull out my awning, tow my Geo Tracker behind me, park my Geo Tracker like right here next to me with my awning and a beverage right next to me. That's the life. I'm visualizing the desert with my awning out, my Geo Tracker right here when I tow it out to the desert with me, and a nice cold beverage. I have to work to achieve that dream. Work my extra hours. On the weekdays, there's about 70 people on the clock. Saturday is a much smaller sort, 15 to 20. So I thought I was going to go in and work 4 to 10 today. About a 6-hour shift. I ended up working a little more than 9 hours. I thought I was going to get out at 10. It's 1:45 right now. You know how I stay encouraged? You know what I'm doing right now? I'm checking out my tracker. I really hope this thing is around in 4 to 5 months. I really want this one.